Did you know that turmeric, the golden yellow spice in your kitchen, has been used for thousands of years for its healing properties, not just its flavor? Beyond adding warmth to dishes, turmeric is a natural painkiller, rooted in ancient traditions like Ayurveda. Modern research now confirms what traditional healers have long known. Turmeric is a powerhouse for fighting chronic inflammation. Persistent aches, joint stiffness, and fatigue often signal low-grade inflammation. Turmeric may help address these at the source. Instead of relying on complicated prescriptions, you might find relief in this simple, accessible spice. Turmeric is a perfect example of food as medicine. Small, consistent changes can have a big impact on your well-being. Let's explore how turmeric works, the science behind its benefits, and how you can easily add it to your daily routine. It's time to see turmeric as a powerful tool in your health toolkit, not just a coloring agent for food. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. Think of a cut that turns red and swollen. Acute inflammation is essential for healing, but problems arise when it becomes chronic and lingers quietly in the background. Chronic inflammation is subtle. Fatigue, body aches, digestive issues, and brain fog are common signs. This ongoing state strains your body and is linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and more. Many everyday aches and pains are driven by this silent inflammation. Recognizing this connection is the first step to regaining control of your health. Lifestyle changes, diet, sleep, stress, and movement play a huge role in calming inflammation. Turmeric, as a natural anti-inflammatory, can help turn down the volume on this silent alarm. By addressing inflammation at its root, you can manage pain and support long-term health. Let's see how turmeric's unique compounds make it such a valuable ally. Turmeric's power comes from curcumin, its most important active compound. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, blocking a molecule called NF-κB that triggers inflammation at the genetic level. Unlike many drugs, curcumin works earlier in the process, helping regulate your body's response holistically. It's also a strong antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals and boosting your body's own defenses. This dual action protects your cells and is especially helpful for conditions like arthritis. Many people with joint pain report less stiffness and better mobility when using turmeric regularly. Curcumin doesn't just mask pain, it helps reduce the underlying inflammation. While it's not a cure, it can significantly improve quality of life for those with chronic pain. Thousands of studies support curcumin's benefits for inflammation and oxidative stress. Let's compare turmeric to conventional painkillers and see why it's a safer long-term option. Most people reach for NSAIDs like ibuprofen for pain relief, but long-term use can cause stomach, kidney, and heart problems. These drugs block enzymes that cause pain, but also protect your stomach lining and kidneys, leading to side effects over time. Turmeric, by contrast, blocks inflammation further upstream, without the same risks. Studies show curcumin can be as effective as NSAIDs for arthritis pain, but much gentler on your body. Turmeric's effects are cumulative. Consistent use steadily reduces inflammation at its source. It's a safer, more sustainable way to manage chronic pain. Instead of just silencing pain, turmeric helps put out the underlying fire. For anyone with ongoing pain, it's a natural supportive strategy for long-term well-being. Ready to try turmeric? It's easy to add to your routine. Curcumin absorbs best with black pepper. Piperine in pepper boosts its effectiveness by up to 2,000%. Pair turmeric with healthy fats like coconut or olive oil for even better absorption. Try a golden milk latte. Warm your favorite milk. Whisk in turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of honey or cinnamon. Add turmeric to curries, soups, eggs, smoothies, or salad dressings. Consistency is key. Aim for 1-2 to 1-1-2 teaspoons, 1-3 grams, daily for general health. Always add black pepper to unlock turmeric's full benefits. If you dislike the taste or need higher doses, look for supplements with 95% curcuminoids and piperine. Typical supplement doses range from 500–1,000 mg curcuminoids per day. Follow label instructions or consult your doctor. Small daily habits can make a big difference in managing inflammation. Turmeric is safe for most, but some should be cautious. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin or aspirin, high doses of turmeric can increase bleeding risk. Consult your doctor first. Pregnant women should avoid high-dose supplements. Stick to culinary amounts. Those with gallbladder issues should also be careful, as turmeric can increase bile production. High doses may cause stomach upset in sensitive individuals. Always start small and listen to your body. If you have health conditions or take medication, talk to your healthcare provider before starting turmeric supplements. Used wisely, turmeric is a powerful tool for most people. We've explored turmeric's history, science, and practical uses for fighting inflammation and pain. The next step is yours. Put this knowledge into action. Every time you add turmeric to your meal, you're making a choice to support your health. Consistency, not perfection, is what matters. Start small. Try golden milk tonight, add turmeric to your soup tomorrow. Notice how your body feels over time. Small changes can lead to big results. By embracing turmeric, you're investing in your future health and resilience. This is preventative medicine at its best. Simple, accessible, and effective. Take the first step today. Your body will thank you.